So we are here right now looking at the Mustang that Isaac wants to look at. Question would be, should he or should he not? Y'all take a look at this.
Oh, somebody grabbed me.
This is the car. That's the spoiler Isaac wanted on her. That is the car. So we're now looking at this bad boy to see if it gives Isaac everything he has. So he's at the digital screen. It is a premium package. It is a 10-speed automatic. We're not saving the manuals. We're not saving the manuals no more. My son is betraying me by going to an automatic Mustang. I don't know. Y'all gonna have to comment below and let me know what y'all think, because I don't know what to say at this point in time. You like it, Isaac? You liking it so far? We got the mama bear over there. Say hi to YouTube, babe. What do you feel? How you feel about this now?
Round 2.
You like it?
What you say, mama?
This is, you know, I'm gonna tell you what I think about this.
What you think?
This is like a drug addict. They start on one drug, get that high, get that feel. All of a sudden, that high is not strong enough. They need a bigger drug.
Well, he's not gonna be strong enough till he gets to Mopar, but until then, he can stay there with the little Fords he likes to play around with. Open the hood department. Let's go take a look at the hood and everything. We haven't even talked to the young man. What's your name, sir?
Ryan.
Ryan, you're the sales rep for today, right?
Yes, sir.
All righty. You mind being on YouTube?
No, not at
You're gonna be worldwide famous. That's what I'm gonna tell you.
Worldwide
I'm
famous,
Jay Cruz, AUDIOZONE, man. But this is the car here. You see, I like the way that Ford did this. They put all these plastics to make the motor look big. You know, when you look at it next to a HELLCAT, it looks impressive. It's good.
Look at the heads.
They're big heads. This is like a 4-valve, right? 4 valves on these cars now. Well, I don't know, guys. We're gonna take a look at this and see what he wants to do. Let me do some wrapping up here, and I'll be with you in a minute. This is what's going on. We gotta really talk to Isaac here. He had put a reputation out there with the Audio Fox. He's about to go auto. He's not saving. In fact, he's the one that always told me to save the manuals. You're about to go out of the manual. If you like it, we'll see in a minute, guys. I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm a little depressed, man. We're gonna see what happens, though. We'll be there right now. Isaac, for the camera, tell me what it is that you like about this one more than you like about yours. He likes the digital dash. Are you gonna spend all this extra money just to get a digital dash? I could do that for less. Well, I like that dash. It is hot. It's an automatic. It's a 10-speed automatic. White outside. Oh, you know what, baby? I know what it is. He wants to match our white cars.
That's what it is.
He wants to match my white HELLCAT and your white HELLCAT and the white Tahoe, so he wants to get a white car. I'm okay with that.
Well, Mama Bear likes the fact that it's quieter, so the neighbor's gonna
That's not going to be like that.
So the neighbor's gonna like it.
He can open up the active exhaust right now.
Have active exhaust? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Isaac, you know how
That's fine.
buyers are. Buyers need to know more information than the salesperson itself.
He played with the modes, guys. Try to check it out. It is a nice car. I do like the spoiler back here. I'm not gonna lie about that. I was gonna buy them for him. That spoiler right there, I'm gonna grab them for him. So I do like that. I do like the quad exhaust in the back that they did put on the 18s and newer. Y'all can see that there. So I do like all this. So let's see what happens here. Check it. You check for the active exhaust already?
I don't got it.
Uh-oh.
You don't have what?
Active exhaust.
You know what that means?
This is what's going on. We drove both of the cars. So far, my son does like the white one is right here. He is actually liking to have his car evaluated, see what they give us in trade-in, and see if we can work out a deal and take this baby home today. So we're about to find out what happens very shortly. Stay posted, and we try to get this car purchased today with the Audio Fox number 2. To get an appraisal, they want me to remove the vent, put the vent back, or they give me a proper appraisal for the car. I'm about to just put the vent in for them because they can give me an appraisal for the car, and we'll figure this out very shortly. But what they're talking about is this right here. I'm gonna put it back to stock to get an appraisal for the vehicle, and if everything works right, they will be grabbing it and going home with it today. We're about to find out very shortly. Stay posted, Cruise Crew. We'll see what happens here. Because this is what's going on. This is an update. The guy went to go test drive the Audio Fox to go see what they give. Again, they don't know that I went actually to Car Max today and got my value. So let me tell you how I do think when I do a deal. Number one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive the vehicle. I did see something I didn't like about the white one, but I'm pointing out to the dealership, it's nothing major, just I'm gonna nitpick this car like they're gonna nitpick mine that I'm about to trade in. That's rule number one for me. Then what that can allow me to do is be able to drop down at least a little bit off the value of their car. The car is already valued right. I'm gonna try to knock down a little bit more off their price, see what they offer me on mine. I'm not gonna tell them that I'm gonna be not financing with them. That's something I do not tell them. So what I do, I negotiate, because dealerships have the right to earn points. So let me tell you what that is. When you buy a vehicle, they might offer you more for your trade-in. hoping or knowing that you're going to trade, that you're going to do financing. So a bank gives you an approval for, let's say, 6%. They could come and sell you that deal at 8%, and for those 2 points. So remember, the bank gave you a 6%. If they sold it to you at 8, that means they got 2 points. That could equal somewhere between $4,000 to maybe $10,000, depending on what the points are, what the term of your loan's going to be. Those points could be worth between $2,000 to $3,000 to $3,500 a point. So on those 2 points, what they'll do, they'll play with you on the front end of the loan, telling you, listen, yeah, we're going to give you X amount for your trade-in, but they're really making the money on the backside on the financing to cover what they did not really give you, because they're going to think that you got to hide. The other thing, when you're trading in a car, you have another thing like a tax credit. An example, if I were to trade this car to that car, I should get about a $1,500 credit on the taxing of the new car that I'm buying, because that money allowed me to have some extra money in my pocket on the rest of the deal. That's kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm way the hell over here in, I don't even remember the name of the city, but I don't know what to tell you. I'll look at this. So look at the front of the dealership. And this is where we're buying this car. Right now, they get finished driving the Audio Fox. We got the manager over there. He drove it. They're about to give me a valuation for it. I want to see what they offer to see if the deal's worth it for me to trade in. But again, I don't even have to trade in the car with them to make this deal happen. I got to negotiate my front end on that car and deal with the rest. If they give me a good trade-in, I'll leave it here. If they don't, then I don't have to leave it here. So we're about to find out what happens as we get this going. Let me show you over here my family. Again, we got Bonsai. We brought him because we have to have any kind of forceful maneuvering or pinning somebody to the floor. He could take off his glass and go, yeah, somebody real quick. Then we got Mrs. Audio Fox in the building in New Jersey. So y'all know, if y'all probably know, y'all know New Jersey. Y'all know Snooki from New Jersey, right? You know how crazy Jay Wall all them being. This is kind of what's in her blood. And then this guy, we're just gonna have him to mop the floor with the people that come and getting all dumb over here. Let's see what happens as we try to work out this deal. I'll be back. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna tell you something right now, man. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna end, but I'm gonna tell you that right now, I don't feel comfortable. I don't even feel right. These people haven't really made me feel welcome here. They haven't, let me name this dealership, I'll find it for y'all, but they made me feel like absolutely nothing here whatsoever, and that's kind of not a good feeling. I don't even feel welcome. My father, do you feel welcome here?
Yeah, these people here are telling me before I leave, I will ask the question, who's the manager here? Now we get a number or something and talk to corporate office. These people here,
yeah, but
really, the salesman, the video message. He said how many miles? Go back.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you, long story short, I'm gonna see where this is gonna end. But I don't know what to tell you guys. This has been a really, I guess I would truthfully say, not the greatest experience. I'm gonna see what they're plotting and planning. I'll keep it posted in a few. I'll tell you something. You want to see what's really funny? These guys try to offer me for my car $21,000 in trade. Look at my wife's face. I'm gonna tell you right now, they kept on asking me what I own the car, I don't have to disclose to you what I own the car. They offered me $21,000 for this car. Guys, I don't know, truthfully, I really feel like walking out. I feel disrespected all the way around because they know that car is selling for $32,000 on the street. He offered me $10,000 less than what the retail is in that car. That's what I'm gonna tell y'all. But I offer him a price on his car. If he takes it good, I'm out. But honestly, that's the dealership. I don't feel welcome. I don't like the place. I'm gonna just see what happens here. If he wants it, I'm going, I'm out. But I don't know what to tell you guys. Stay posted. This was a horrible experience.
I don't know how you're still sitting there. That's like a smack in the face.
Big one. That guy very disrespectful. Disrespectful, huh? What do you think? He disrespect you, Isaac? Hold back. Don't smack this guy. Don't smack him. Don't hold back. But let's just see what happens. I'll be back in a minute. So long story short, I'm gonna really go do a review on this guy. Honestly, that manager there, he's a complete, I don't want to say the word. He hasn't came out to speak to me once. He hasn't even acknowledged me once. Not even talked to me. I'm walking out of this dealership right now. This guy really gave me horrible service at this dealership, to the point where I actually feel offended. I didn't even get to talk to this guy, not even once. This guy made me feel like I was a piece of garbage, honestly. I am out of here right now. Truthfully, I'm out of here. We'll continue this in a few, man. Just talking about this case. Babe, this guy, we told him, looking, man, I don't need you to, he offered me $21,000 for my trade. I said, look, I don't need to trade in. I don't need to do that. Let's just work on your car and get a number together and then get the car done. The car had paint work done all the way around, has some other things that were concerned on the car. It was painted, has a Carfax with a couple damages on it that we saw that after we got here. They had the car for $37,800. No, they had it for $38,100. I told him, listen, man, tell your boss that I'll give him the car. We don't need to trade my car in. I'll give him $37,000 for that car. He came back and said, no, that was the only offer he's giving you. Full sticker on the car. That's all he has. In reality, the guy made me feel like, get the hell out of my dealership. Like, he didn't come and not even a counter offer saying, you know, I'll give it to you for $3,800 flat or nothing. Not even a counter offer. Really just get the hell out of my dealership experience is what I had here. I tell you, I bought many cars in my life. I have never felt so offended or so deprided like this dealership over here, man. I mean, this guy really, really, really made me feel like I was absolutely nothing. And I came to buy the car. That's the thing. I didn't come to drive. I came to buy the car. But, you know, I always believe, I'm a little upset because I've never been treated so, I don't want to say racially profiled. I'm not going to go that route. I know that could, guys, you know what? I'm trying to make it all nice and beautiful, but that's what the thing was. I felt so racially.
I've never seen someone in my dealership get treated like that.
This guy, he made me feel like I'm not welcome in his dealership. Like, don't touch nothing. Like, listen, guys, I can't even tell you how this guy made me feel. I'm really hurt because racism is alive in America, and we actually see it here right now. Because, and I hate to put it out like that, but I really felt so, guy, he made me feel like I'm not worth nothing. And me and my family, I mean, I can't even tell you the whole experience with this guy, you know, gave us, like if we're nothing. Man, I'll come in to pay the car. I'll come by, I don't need to buy the car, you know, finance it from them. I mean, I was ready to buy the car. But I guess he thought I wasn't able to do it. So now on the positive side of it, maybe God was watching me out from something. Maybe he has a better deal for me and my family. Or, you know, I always believe that everything's ordered by God. And the Bible tells me that the steps of the just is ordered by God. And I'm going to trust that this was his purpose. He didn't want me with that car. He knows why he did it. I'm going to trust God. So God, I trust you in this one. But the moral of the story is that this guy, all I can say is this guy. So I don't say, guys, want to thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all be good and God bless, man. Stay posted. Please write some comment below. And I'm going to definitely go on Google and write a review for this dealership. I'm going to go to Dealer Rater. I'm going to go everywhere I can and let these people know what this manager, which I wrote his name on my phone, made me feel like. Y'all. All right, guys. So after that bad experience, stay here, Mrs. Cruz. After that very bad experience that we've had today, racism is alive in America is all I'm going to tell you guys. But I want to say something that's very important. We got my father, my wife, and my mother here. So to turn something negative into positive, we got a Papa Do's Steakhouse, have some seafood, just have a good time. And the thing that we're celebrating, besides trying to get after anger,
47 years.
47 years of him marrying that woman, and me 7 years of putting up with this woman. So I tell you guys, I don't know you two, but
that's what he meant to say.
We're gonna actually go ahead and celebrate our anniversaries, man. My mom is on the 22nd, Mike on the 24th. I've been married to the beautiful one for 7 years. We've been together for 8. My dad has been with my mom for 47 years. We're gonna go just make the best of this day and just enjoy this beautiful day today, man. All right, guys, so we are actually enjoying our meal right now. We got mom and pops over there doing their thing. We got, oh, I'm not getting down with that. He's trying to give me some of that lobster right there that he don't want to take. Where's she at right there? I ain't trying to hit that. I got my own thing, my crab leg, my stuff right there. Everybody else is doing good. Just enjoying this beautiful anniversary day, man. So, we posting. I got a question. How you feeling right now eating up that whole big lobster right there?
Can't talk right now, I'm busy.
Mama, how you feeling today, Mama?
Food.
And Mrs. Cruz, how you feeling today?
Stuff. You want some of my food?
I'm gonna eat that definitely. But this is the most important. I want you to see something. The most important. I already ate. It was that good, man. We've enjoyed this up to now, man. Daddy got done tearing up that lobster, complete the whole big old thing there. My wife is done, I'm done. My wife is over, my mom is over there scavenging on. He didn't even get to eat a potato, so she's taking it home for.
Busy eating that.
Yeah, he tied that one up.
Look at that.
Y'all know Pop for being normal, but Pop right now look a little explosive over here. Yeah. What you gotta say, Mrs. Cruz, about today? You gotta say, Mrs. Cruz?
Today has been an interesting day.
Today was a good day. What? Yeah, not for nothing, but that background right now look like we're on top of a building next to another building. Like we're on top of some big thing. There's really a car that give it a yeah. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for the subscribe, man. Thank y'all for all the blessings that y'all are giving us, man. I want to thank you. God bless.